Parents are definitely concerned. The total, if you look at the total cases in schools, regardless of Omicron, right now they're very high.
This has become the norm for students and parents to see in Montreal. An elementary school shut down because of a COVID-19 outbreak, this one in the city's East End. But now the Omicron variant detected in others, one in Verdun and one in LaSalle closed. École des Coquelicots and École Sainte-Geneviève Sud shut after Omicron spread among students. At least 23 schools are partially or fully closed in the province due to COVID outbreaks. The province seeing over 2,300 cases in the last 24 hours, and the premier saying changes may be coming. Discussions ongoing on holiday gatherings and other measures.
They didn't close because they had massive outbreaks of several tens of cases. They closed with probably less than 10 cases each. However, because the public health in Montreal has a more rigorous process in case management in schools for Omicron. As soon as those cases were confirmed and sequenced properly to say that it was Omicron, they closed it.
As of December 13th, 5,000 students and 600 plus staff in Quebec schools have confirmed active cases of the virus.
The Delta variant, the wave that is amplified by outbreaks in schools, and we're seeing a high increased number of cases. The incidence rates are really high in the 5-11 years old group, the 35-44 years old group that are their parents.
But the Omicron variant is increasing in Montreal, with 95 cases detected in the city.
It's obviously a tremendous concern for all parents, sending your child to school during COVID, and really kind of hard to believe that here we are again, in just before the Christmas holidays, and we're facing another wave. It's unbelievable for all of us. You have to pinch yourself it's like a scene from the movie Groundhog Day, like here we go again.
The UMSB has had to close some of their schools due to COVID-19, including East Hill and RDP, but there's no indication of the Omicron variant yet.
Like we've been doing since day one of the pandemic in March of 2020, we will take our lead from the government, whatever the government indicates. I mean, in the case of East Hill, right now, the students are going to be online.
The Centre de Service Scolaire Marguerite Bourgeois, responsible for the two schools seeing Omicron outbreaks, tells City News that they are prioritizing the security of students and staff and are adhering to public health directives.
Both of them were linked to an outbreak of Omicron at the Christmas market in the local community center over the weekend. So there was already a call for people to get tested based on this outbreak, and the cases were found also in the schools in the area.
With 45% of those 5 to 11 in Quebec having gotten a first dose of the COVID vaccine and another 7% having taken their first appointment, public health officials urging parents to get their children vaccinated before the holidays. In Montreal, Pamela Pagano, City News.